Tired of watching your ad revenue trickle in no matter how hard you hustle? Monetag is here to flip the script. This is the monetization platform designed for creators who want to maximize every click from any traffic source. Website, social media, even paid ads? Yep, you can finally get paid what your audience is worth. Here's what makes Monetag a total game changer for publishers around the globe. First, high CPMs. No more settling for pennies. Monetag connects you with big-name brands in e-commerce, finance, and the hottest apps, so you're working with the same global advertisers as the top sites. Want proof? Check out real case studies on their blog. Worried about sketchy ads? Don't be. Monetag's strict moderation means you'll never show scams, adult content, or phishing links to your followers. Your audience stays safe, and your reputation stays golden. Now let's talk smartlink. Got traffic from Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, but no website? No problem. Paste your unique smartlink into your bio or posts, and Monetag automatically serves up the best matching ads instantly. Just copy, share, and watch as your clicks turn into cash. The Monetag dashboard is as easy as it gets. You can register in under a minute, track real-time stats, and cash out your earnings every week starting at just $5. Get paid however you want, PayPal, crypto, whatever works for you. Plus, there's a 5% forever referral bonus and 24/7 support in case you ever get stuck. Want to walk through on how to use SmartLink? Check out Monetag's own YouTube for real-life examples. So, ready to unlock premium ad revenue and finally get rewarded for your content? Join thousands of publishers who are earning more every single day with Monetag. Hit the link, sign up free, and start boosting your earnings today. Minimum payouts just $5. All traffic types welcome. Let's get you paid.